Bowhead whales are the longest living mammal. The Arctic and subarctic whale exact lifespan is unknown. They comfortably live over 100 years and may live more than 200 years. The whale have mutation in a gene called ERCC1 which is involved with repairing damaged DNA that may help protect the whale from cancer, a potential cause of death. Furthermore, another gene called PCNA has a section that has been duplicated. This gene is involved in cell growth and repair, and the duplication could slow aging. Rough-eye rockfish are one of the longest living fish and have a maximum lifespan at least 205 years. These pink or brown fish live in the Pacific Ocean. From California to Japan, they grow up to 97 cm long and eat other animals such as shrimp and smaller fish. An independent advisory panel that assesses the status of species threatened with extinction in Canada. Freshwater pearl mussel are bivalve that filter particles of food from the water. They mainly live in river and stream and can be found in Europe and North America, including the US and Canada. The oldest known freshwater pearl mussel was 280 years old. These invertebrates have long lifespan thanks to their low metabolism. Freshwater pearl are an endangered species. Their population is declining due to a variety of human-related factors, including damage and changes to the river habitat. Greenland sharks live deep in the Arctic and North Atlantic Ocean. They can grow to be 24 feet long and have a diet that includes a variety of other animals, including fish and marine mammals such as seal. Estimated that these sharks can have a maximum lifespan at least 272 years. The biggest shark in that study was estimated to be about 392 years old. The age estimate came with a degree of uncertainty. Tube worm are invertebrates that have long lifespan in the cold, stable environment of the deep sea. A species of tube worm living in the ocean floor in the Gulf of Mexico regularly lives up to 200 years, and some specimens survive for more than 300 years. Tube worms have a long death rate with few natural threats such as lack of predator, which has helped them evolve to such long lifespan. Corals look like colorful underwater rock and plants actually made up of exoskeleton of invertebrates called polyp. These polyps continually multiply and replace themselves by creating a genetically identical copy, which over time causes the coral exoskeleton structure to grow bigger and bigger. Corals are therefore made up of multiple identical organisms rather than being a single organism like Greenland shark or ocean. Coral can live for hundreds of years or more, but deep water black corals are among the longest living corals. Black coral specimens found off the coast of Hawaii have been measured to be 4,265 years old. Sponges are made up of colonies of animals similar to corals and can also live for thousands of years. Glass sponges are among the longest living sponges on earth. Members of this group are often found in the deep ocean and have skeletons that resemble glass, hence their name. A glass sponge belonging to the species about 11,000 years old. Other sponge species may be able to live even longer. Turritopsis dorini are called immortal jellyfish because they can potentially live forever. Jellyfish start life as a larva before establishing themselves on their seafloor and transforming into polyp. These polyps then produce free-swimming jellyfish. Mature are special in that they can turn back into polyp if they are physically damaged or starving. The jellyfish, which are native to the Mediterranean Sea, can repeat this feat of reversing their life cycle multiple times and therefore may never die of old age under the right condition. These jellyfish are tiny, less than 0.2 inches across, and they are eaten by the other animals such as fish or may die by other means, thus preventing them from actually achieving immortality. Hydra is a group of small invertebrates with soft bodies that looks a bit like jellyfish. Hydra also have the potential to live forever. Hydra don't show sign of deteriorating with age. These invertebrates are largely made up of stem cells, which continually regenerate through duplication or cloning. Hydras don't live forever under natural conditions because of threats like predators and disease, but without these external threats, they could be immortal.